Kia ora, everybody, and welcome to this lesson where we are going to be talking about using the sine rule to find the length of an unknown side in a triangle. Now, I want you to know that this is going to work for all types of triangles. Please add that to your notes, that the sine rule to find the length of a side is going to work for all types of triangles. That's right angle triangles, scalene, isosceles, etc. Now, due to the relationship, we are able to say the following. If I take the length of a side and divide it by the sine of angle A, that's going to be equal to the length of side B divided by the sine of angle B. And one thing we remember is that due to the setup of the triangles, the following is always going to be the case. Angle A is that angle, so that means the side opposite angle A is side A. If that's angle B, the side that's opposite from angle B is called side B, and if that's angle C, the side opposite angle C is side C. Let's have a look at an example. Here I have a triangle. I know this side is 18 centimeters. I've got an angle of 100 degrees opposite that. I've got an angle there of 44 degrees and an unknown side there. The way I want you to set these problems up is whatever your unknown side is, you're going to call that side A. Now, we're going to always do these in pencil. So if this is my unknown side, I'm going to change that X to little a. Well, that means the side over here has to be angle A. Now, as the formula tells us, the length of side A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the length of B divided by the sine of angle B. Looking at the given information, that 18 centimeters, that has to be side length B. So that means the angle opposite that side must be angle B. Capital letters for angles, A and B. Lowercase letters for side lengths. So we substitute into the formula. Little a is our unknown, and please always put your unknown in the top of the first fraction. It's going to make solving much easier. So we've got angle A divided by the sine of, length A divided by the sine of angle A is going to be equal to B divided by the sine of angle B. Now we want to get this A all by itself, but it's not yet. It's being divided by the sine of 44. Well, how do you undo dividing? Exactly. You multiply. So if I times both sides by the sine of 41, what happens is this. My A is all by itself now, and I've got 18 times sine 44 divided by the sine of 100. So let's go to our calculator now, and we will put that into our calculator. 18 times the sine of 44 equals, then we're going to divide that by the sine, and the sine button's right there. There is the sine button right there, divided by the sine of 100, and that gives us 12.69674272. You always want to round sensibly. And as I've said in previous videos, however many decimal places you're given in the original question, give one more when you round. So there's 0 decimal places in the given information. So that means I'm going to round this answer to 1 decimal place, which would be 12.7 centimeters, rounded to 1 decimal place. Okay, now you're ready for the EP task on sine rule to find the length of an unknown side. You got this.